All right, traders around the world. It's Tim Irvin here. Welcome to another week. Today, guys, we are gonna be going through a few pairs, guys. I'm gonna be giving you USD JPY. Stay with me. I'm gonna be breaking down step by step. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be making money this coming week. Another pair that I'm gonna give you guys is gold. I'm gonna tell you what is gonna happen this week. Another pair that I will be giving you, it is Euro USD. It's gonna be massive good information on this video, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end. And another pair that I'm gonna give you guys, it is GBP JPY. Boom! I'm telling you guys, this week is going to be amazing. Today we're gonna do the best price action trading strategy that will change the way you trade. Trust me, guys, we are gonna be covering some amazing. We're gonna identify support and resistance. We're gonna do patient and discipline, the price action trading, and so forth, guys. It is going to be explosive. This is the very first thing that we're gonna do. Pay close attention to what I'm gonna do. So this is the very first pair that I'm gonna give you. The very first pair is going to be GBP JPY. Boom! But pay close attention. This is the way that we're gonna do it, because I want you guys to make money. Let me shrink the candle because it's I don't want to show you the real data yet. Bear with me. I don't want to show you the real data. There you go. Look, the very first thing that everyone needs to pay attention, guys, when you are trading the multiple time frame here, is always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer of whatever is happening in real time in the market. So the way how I do it is I like to pay attention what 4 hours and daily is doing. That is the key here, guys. The key here is what's 4 hours and 4 hours. Let me delete this because I'm doing it wrong. There you go. So here, look at that. 4 hours and daily. What is 4 hours and daily doing? It's telling us, guys, the market here is only going up. Now, what is the next step you need to pay attention? You need to pay attention to the TW sniper entry. The TW sniper entry, this yellow arrow here, when it's selling, you will get this rest there. When the TW sniper entry is going and as a buy, you will get the green stairs going up. So down, going up. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now that you know the basic, we are going to move to real data, real time, and see if this week is going to be a massive. Guys, I've been on vacation for the past month, I think a month and a half. So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna be available this week and next week. After that, I will be taking my last 2 weeks of vacation of the year, and I'm tired, guys. I'll be going from one place to another place, and I'm tired. I just really need a break now. I need to come to the office and work, man, make some money, because I'm burning a lot on the field. All right, so now that we know what's going on, guys, we're gonna move to reality. We're gonna put the candles back to normal because it's very important for you to know what to do on the market. So remember what I said earlier. So you need to pay attention what 4 hours and daily is doing. Once you know that, guys, the dashboard will give you the answer. All we know here is the market is going up. It's green means going up. So now let's move to reality, see if that is true. If it's true, you're gonna agree with me. If not, you're gonna disagree with me. So look at here. What is multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's going up. What is TW sniper entry? Boom, it's going up. Look at the very first stairs, guys. Here's your very first stair. Look at the trend. Where is the trend going? That's what I was telling you. This is basically support and resistance, guys. We have identified the most respected support and resistance in here. And look at what the market is doing. What is the trend doing here? The trend, it is going up. Look, you saw it early. So how far is gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest your previous multiple time frame. Let's put an arrow here. Multiple time frame going back in that area. And then from there, market is gonna come back and retest its previous support and resistance here. It's gonna come back, and then boom, market will continue on that bullish trend. It's that simple, guys. Do not overcomplicate it. Please do not overcomplicate it. If anyone need help, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys. You need to put all this that I'm telling you, put it all together, guys. The best price action strategy will make money for you. But remember one thing, guys, is very important for you to understand is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you need help, please let me know in the comment below. There is a link in the description. I can do it one-on-one if you want, but please ask for help, okay? And subscribe to our channel, guys, if you haven't done that already, okay? All right, let's move on to the next pair of the week, guys. And the next pair that I'm gonna give you, it is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Look into the massive. Actually, let's do it different, guys. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? I'm gonna ask you that to the remaining of the pairs. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention here? Look at here. 4 hours and daily. What is it doing? 4 hours is saying that we're going where? We're going down. What is the daily doing? Daily saying that we're going up. So there is a war between the time frames. This is when you need to understand how to trade this market. But I'm gonna break it down for you because it's very important, guys, for me to teach you, the best price action trading strategy that will change the way you look at the market. It's very important. That's simple. Now that we know, we're gonna move to reality. All we know that we got two trends going up. So look at here. The real trend here is this one, guys. Multiple time frame here. TW sniper hint here. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. What is the real trend here, guys? The real trend here is going up. Let me put an arrow, not a box. The real trend here is going up. Except, look at what happened here. Look at the 4 hours. It's telling, hey, we're doing a what? This is called a pullback. So market is doing a pullback at this real time right now, saying, hey, we're coming down for a minute. How far is this pullback gonna go? In my opinion, this is what I think, guys. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, which is a 38.2 Fibonacci level. From there, boom, market will continue up simply because the trend here is bullish, guys. That's it. That's it. But right now, on Friday, the market left us on a sell position on Euro USD. All right. So, but overall, market right now is doing a pullback. Unless if we get a clear indication, probably by Tuesday next week, that we get a new TW sniper entry here, letting us know that this is going to be an official coming down all the way to the 0 Fibonacci, then everything is going to switch. But in the meantime, guys, Euro USD is doing a sell pullback. Okay, that's all I'm seeing, guys. That's all I'm seeing in the market. Any question, guys? Make sure, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you need help, you need one-on-one, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Let's make money together. All right, so let's go to the next pair of the week, and that is going to be gold. Boom! Now that you know the basic, guys, I'm not gonna break it down, like a baby. Look, what is the first thing that you need to pay attention? What is it? Right, that it is your daily and 4 hours. Now you have the same example on Euro USD. Look at here. What is gold doing? Gold is telling that, hey, Irving, the market here is coming down. What is the daily doing? The daily saying we're going up. So that means, guys, that your 4 hours is contradicting the daily time frame. So that means the 4 hours is doing a pullback. But let's go ahead and break it down because it's important for you guys to understand if this breakdown pullback is right or wrong. All right, ready? Let's do it. Look at here. So this is what I like to do, this type of video, guys. This is real stuff, real data, real stuff. I'm not lying to you, neither the market. Look at here. So 4 hours is saying, hey, Irvin, multiple time frame is selling we're in a buy position. TW Snapper entry saying we're in a buy position. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. What is the real trend, guys? What is the real trend here? It's going up. Except there is a problem with the 4 hours. 4 hours is contradicting the larger time frame. Saying, wait a minute, bro. I went all the way to the 100 Fibonacci line. I need to take a break. So the market is taking a break. In my opinion, it's gonna come back to your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. And boom! Market will continue on the buy trend on gold. But gold, it is selling at this time, guys. That's what I saw. That's the information. This information you are seeing here is from our last week. That's from Friday. All right. So, guys, do you have any question, guys? Remember, guys, I will be taking another 2 more weeks vacation, but I will be available next week. After that, I will be traveling, and maybe I'm gonna put some of the. I was traveling on VIP, guys. It's fucking amazing, man. I'm sorry for the language, but trust me, guys, it's a different level. Forex to make it happen, guys. You just need to learn the rules, man. Learn the rules. You're gonna do well, but make sure you guys learn, man. If you need help, man, just let me know in the comment below. Type, let me know and say, Irvin, I need help. It's $9.99, guys. It's only $10, man. You don't buy not even a meal with $10 nowadays. And we're gonna teach you this stuff behind scenes. This is amazing, guys. Really amazing. All right, let's move on to the all pair of the week, and it is USD JPY. Boom! What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Look, guys, if you messed up on this one, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna remove my t-shirt, and we're gonna get enough argument because this is straightforward. Look at your dashboard. What is the dashboard saying that USD JPY is doing? Look, you already become a master here. Look at how simple this stuff is, guys. Look at that. Boom, saying, hey, Irvin, wait. We all going up. That's all you're seeing. You're not even seeing that red folder. It's just saying that we are bullish. We're going up. Market is going up. Now that we know, let's move on to real data, real stuff. Look, and I want you to tell me, Irvin, you lying. Irvin, you lying. Look at here. Multiple time frame. Boom. TW sniper entry. Boom. Look at this there. Very first there, guys. Look what the market is doing. Look, the candle here left us is still going up. Look at here. What is the trend doing? Up. How far is this gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna retest this previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci level. From there, market is gonna do a small pullback, and boom, market will on that buy trend. Look at the RSI, guys. Look at the RSI. What is the RSI telling you here? Look at the entry here. Boom, telling you, hey, Irvin, the market is going up. Let's make money going only in one direction. Let's trade with the trend. This is very important, guys. That's what I give you guys. Today is how many pairs did I give you today anyway? I give you GBP, JPY. I'm telling you, market is here is bullish. Euro USD. I'm telling you, market here is still selling. Gold. What is gold doing? Well, let's do it again. Gold is selling. What's USD JPY is doing? Boom, it's going up. Guys, people will charge you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of money for what information that I'm giving you here for free. The question here is, do you want to make money? Do you want to learn how to trade Forex? What kind of help do you need? Do you want me to teach you? Ask yourself those questions. All right? So, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here, guys. God bless you. God bless the world. God bless Ukraine. And God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you back on our next episode. Let's trade with 10 with Irvin. Boom!